Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu ni iruguritie kioneki kiayo kia mwaka wa kigina wa 2026 2027 ya kuongerera kigina kiria kirihagio ta igoti na kuha ahuri biashara kuriha igoti niguo mahote kwamukira motungata megwete kuma kuri thirikari yao.
Through innovation, integrity, excellent customer experience and service, enhance compliance, we can mobilize more resources to improve healthcare, roads, water, education, and other essential services for the people of Kiambu.
Kuringana na Gavana Kimani Wamatangi, marongoreirie kuiganania kigina kiria marogotaga magoti na kiria maheagwo ni thirikari nene, na oho mahinge mahoro mothe ma kuria kigina giki kiuragira kana kuhuthirwo uru na niguo muingi wamukire motungata makinyaniru kuma kuri thirikari.
In a row, we raised the bar even higher and we collected 5.45 billion. And this time, we have raised the bar even higher. And today we have unveiled a total collection of 6.5 billion.
Niguo gukinyiria kioneki giki etia bia cia igoti makoretwo makinyirite ahuri biashara anini na kumathomithia umithio wa kuriha igoti, na oho makona muhiano wa utungata uria wikitwo kuma kuri igoti riria marihite.
Haracagwo maragirio wega the collectors magatuika friendly na riu nikio andu metikagira kuruta tondu ni marona kuria revenue erathie. We give back, ni macoka kuona uria mbeca icio cieka.
Ni atwakiire ma stages maria matumite tuhote gucokaniriria mbia icio cia kuriha igoti. Utungata uria ithu turaheo ni kanjo ni turona ni mwega tondu matituharacaga, ni turutaga wira nao wega, ni tunyitanagira nao wega.
Ithabu riri ria Wamatangi ricoretwo na kuigananio riri ria kuha muingi gukamucokia itena ria keri, kuona ehotorete kurikia tabarira ciothe iria cianjiriirio matura-ini niguo akonania wira uria murute akiuha muingi kumuthura itena ria keri.
Those that have been watching on the sidelines to see whether the cap will fall, God willing, in the year 2028, this county will be collecting that 11.5 billion plus, and we shall be on our way. We shall be on our way to ensuring that services in this county are at the level that we intend them to be.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikuga wa Kim.